What's up, guys? This is me. I'm gonna do a new video on how to take out a hard drive on an Xbox 360 Slim and open the hard drive to get open the hard drive cover because there's the hard drive inside. All right, here we go. I'm gonna grab my Xbox. I'm taking this video on my laptop, so hold in with me. All right, yeah, I got my Xbox right here, my Xbox Slim, and there's the hard drive port is right here. See, there's this little thing that moves down like that, and you pull it out, so it's like that. And there's a little string here. It says 250 gigabytes, you know. Pull it. This is your hard drive. Hold on while I put my Xbox down. It's kind of hard to do it with a really hurt wrist. Alright, so here it is. So you can see it's the 250 gigabyte hard drive. Alright, now how to open the hard drive. Right here, you can see in the front there's the parts where you I don't know, plug it in or whatever. So you can see it's already opened a little bit from mine because I already opened it. Alright, here's what you do. I don't know if you can see it really well, but go up in here, up in the top, and you push it towards the top, and you just go like that and pry it open like that. Like, I'll do it again. You can go from really anywhere on the hard drive, but just go right here and just pull it back, and it will open a little bit. It'll only be open a little bit. So what you do is, mine's already open, but I'm gonna show you what you can do. Hold on. You go right here on the corner, for instance. Shove the screwdriver in, and then pull back, and you can go again on the other side. But this back part back here, I wouldn't suggest removing this part. This back, all of this top cover, I don't suggest taking that off at all. But as you can see, there's top cover, bottom cover, and the hard drive itself. Just reach your hand in there. You can pull it out. Now, if you have an old computer with a hard drive in it, you can look, and this is a I don't even know what you want to call it. What's a hard drive? Just get the hard drive off an old computer, or if you want to buy a new hard drive, like a 500 gigabyte, if there's one just like this, take it to the store, and you can see on the front those holes and everything how it is. See, you can see the little gold things and how they're lined up. You do that. You can take it to a Radio Shack or something and swap it, or not swap it, but buy a new one. Could be 500, 350, 250, 100, 160, whatever. I have a laptop. The laptop I'm on has this hard drive. I just took it out of the laptop and put it in the Xbox. It fit. So yeah, you get one just like this, and like I said, any size you want, and you just put find specifically where it goes, and you slide it down in there. You just pop the top back on. The top won't go on all the way anymore because you pried right here, and it created a I don't know, crease thing, so it's out of shape a little bit, but it's good enough to where when you put it back in your Xbox, it's the Xbox hole that you put this in is conformed to this thing, so it won't go anywhere. So if I put in the hard drive right, I might have put it upside down. Pretty sure I didn't, but I'm going to show you how to put it back in. Alright, so do this because it's a lot easier, but you find a hole. Kind of hard doing this. Well, I'm trying to show you and not seeing it at all. Is it upside down, Dad?
Yeah.
Okay. Stop. Okay. So you find the hole, get it, and you just push it all the way in. But I don't think it's in right, so I have to pull it back out.
But you get the idea.
You get the idea, as my dad says. Hold on. Okay, the hard drive's upside down. So I'm just fixing the hard drive. Yeah, that's what the problem was. Anyway, so put it in, make sure it's down there, and push this down. You could tape it closed, or anything you can do to... I was watching that, Dad. It's America's Got Talent. Alright, so you just push it down, or hold it down, or you can tape it down, or super glue it, or anything that you have. Alright, now, once that, you find the hole, as my dad would say, find for the glory. Isn't that right, Dad? And you got it right there. You just push it in. You'll hear it click. And then you're done. You grab your hard drive cover thing that hides all of it. And you... I'm trying my best here. It's upside down. There we go. So got it, and then you hear the click, done. And my Xbox is currently out of service, you can say, because it got struck by lightning and the power brick went out. So I have to get a new one, but there's my Xbox. It's I updated I used like Silver Sharpie to do some stuff on it. So yeah, so you can do that with any hard drive that you find that's exactly the same as the one in here. You just take it out of the case, bring it to your local Radio Shack or whatever, and make sure they line up the hard drive little pins in there and crap, and then take it home, do what I said, and then turn on your Xbox, and it will say how many gigabytes you have free. I'm thinking about upgrading to a 500 one sometime. I might get an external, but I'm not sure. But yeah, I'll do a video on that if I decide to do it. Alright, thanks guys. Dang it.